Excuse me, hi. Sorry to bother you. My name is Jubin. I go up to people, take their photos, and post them on social media. Just wondering if I can get your picture by any chance. I'm gonna be cute.
Yes.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
in my break.
It's just gonna take a minute.
Okay.
Sure.
I have to move.
I'll take a photo from there. After that, if you can stand here for me, please. Thank you so much.
Should I just put my jacket off or something?
Sorry?
Should I take my jacket off?
No. You look perfectly good. Take one more. There you go.
Oh, thank you. Those are cute. Very unexpected. Thank you. Do you have a social media
Yeah.
so I can take
Instagram.
your Instagram?
Sure. So that is my account. Thank you so much for your time.
No, it's okay. I was just like, what's going on?
Wonder not.
It's perfect. It's really bad connection in here.
That's
So,
right.
oh, is it this one?
That's
Yeah.
me. What's your name?
Jean.
Jean.
G-I-N.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Just send me a
you.
hi, I'll send you the picture.
Okay.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Have a nice time.
You too.
Cheers.
Bye.